you going, Jace? Car wash. There's a lot of cars waiting though. I'm gonna go get some food first.
Here.
Is it this one?
Gotta burn a lot of money.
See all clean. Clean. Kids in the back. I'm gonna order some food. So we got shakes, strawberry, chocolate, fries, nuggets. After labor food. Just clean the car to get the car ready to be shipped. Since we're moving back to the mainland, waiting to get our car wash.
Don't spill, Cody.
No, Jace. Eating. We're gonna go get our car wash.
Entering a code.
What's the code for? We buy cash, we're gonna get premium wash. Here's the prices, 11, 9, and 8. Are you done? It's $9. Oh no.
It's
So
automatic.
we're inside them. So all the windows closed. Look, Mela.
What's going on, baby? Feels like I'm still driving.
Is there a monster outside?
No, Mela.
What's going on?
Can't see what Mela is doing.
What's the thing there? Camera in front of me.
That's right.
You just did Mela. Not too close.
Go ahead, vlog, buddy. So what's going on? What's happening?
So inside, getting wet, and the nose is getting louder. And baby right there can't see her. Hi. But the big wet slidey thing.
Which one is it? How much
See all the wind.
soap's coming out.
So there's some soap. There it is.
Pink and red, yellow.
What's Mela doing?
Oh.
Oh, it's blue.
What's going on, Mila?
What's all blue green? I can't see it.
Don't shake it so fast, babe. You need to get nice and slow. Okay? Here.
Are we in the store? Mila! Can't see her. Oh, the big cyclone thing is coming.
Or the cyclone. It's a hurricane.
Oh, phew, that's better.
The front now, Jace.
Whoa, we could.
Oh, look, bubbles or something. Nice and simple. Oh, no, again. Here we go. The front. Oh, my goodness.
In the front and in mine. Window? Whoosh. Have to wipe my window. So that's a side top thing? Yeah. Look, I got this green soap. Oh, cool. It's the wet cyclone thing.
We're in the washing machine.
We're inside the washing machine, Jace.
Look, Mila! Oh, she's so cute. Then, okay.
Oh, look, they're rinsing us up now.
Okay, we're good. We could win. Whoa, so close. What is?
This is like
More soap. Maybe I didn't get
Whoa! That's fast. Whoa! Now for the drying. Kills and other wiles. The baby! The baby! Here comes See? Drive too slowly. Drive too slowly. Have that close up. And the next step is the palm tree. Bye-bye.
So we're at the rent-a-car place. Gonna change our car. We're picking up our car. We're gonna drive a rental car. Gonna drop this car and send it off where, Jace? Yeah, I'm gonna send it off to a new place that we're moving back to the mainland. We're gonna say goodbye to the island, Jace. Gonna picking up. I'm not sure which car yet. Your dada's picking up the car right now, so I have to drive. So we're having two cars because this one gonna be shipped, and we're gonna drive the rental car before we leave Oahu, Hawaii Island here. Alright, we got a rental car. We're driving off to drop off our car. We're driving to the place to drop off our car now. So we're driving two separate cars. That's the car right there. So part of moving from out of the island, you have to do this to get on the island. Alright. We just dropped off the car. This is a rental car. Pretty much exactly the same because it's Mazda too.
So we haven't drove a four-door for quite a while.
But it has nice leg room.
This is Mainland's first four-door.
It's like actually more than than the car, our car.
It's funny, right? To see the ice.
Alright, so that's the shipment probably, right? It looks like the
Look at the window.
big ship.
See, look.